Today, we're exploring the contrasting financial habits and mindsets of the wealthy versus the poor. Let's delve into it. Section 1. Mindset and Beliefs. The first key difference lies in mindset and beliefs. Wealthy individuals tend to have a growth mindset, believing in their ability to create wealth through hard work and strategic decision-making. On the other hand, those with a poverty mindset often harbor limiting beliefs about money, viewing wealth as unattainable or believing they are destined to struggle financially. Section 2. Financial Education and Awareness. Another significant disparity is in financial education and awareness. The wealthy prioritize learning about money management, investing, and wealth-building strategies. They continuously seek knowledge and are willing to invest in themselves. In contrast, the poor may lack basic financial literacy and may not fully understand how to make their money work for them. Section 3. Spending and Saving Habits. Spending and saving habits also diverge between the wealthy and the poor. Wealthy individuals tend to live below their means, prioritize saving and investing, and avoid frivolous expenses. They understand the importance of delayed gratification and long-term financial planning. Conversely, those with limited financial resources may struggle with impulse spending, living paycheck to paycheck, and accumulating debt. Section 4. Risk-taking and opportunity perception. Lastly, there's a disparity in risk-taking and opportunity perception. Wealthy individuals are more inclined to take calculated risks and seize opportunities for wealth creation. They understand that with risk comes reward and are willing to step out of their comfort zones to pursue lucrative ventures. In contrast, the poor may shy away from risks due to fear of failure or lack of confidence in their abilities. Conclusion. In conclusion, the differences between the wealthy and the poor extend beyond just monetary wealth. They encompass mindset, education, habits, and attitudes towards money. By adopting the mindset and habits of the wealthy, anyone can take steps towards financial empowerment and success.